Hi guys, Dave's here. This is my project 1956 Ford. This is when I was getting it tubbed, probably around the late 80s, early 90s. This is Troy, the one that was tubbing it for me. He's a good friend of mine. And, you know, I thought I might show you what it looked like here beforehand. We later on replaced the quarter panels in here and replaced the floorboards and some other stuff. Uh, This was me trying my old fender skirts on it. Troy did not like those, which you hiding the wheels and everything. You want to show them off. Thought you might like to see a video of this. They're on a work in progress here years ago. I'm glad I kind of took a video of it back then. But I hope one day I have this car going and hopefully pretty soon. So thanks for watching. If you're watching the Project 56, so stay tuned for more updates on Project 56 coming soon.